Hi everyone, it's Amy, and today I will be making new clothes. And by that, I mean I will test out 3 DIYs from 3 different people and see if they work or not. So, let's get on with the video. So for the first DIY, it is by a person named Laura DIY, and I will be looking at the video, buying YouTuber merch, and DIYing it. By the way, don't have YouTuber merch. I'm just using my own clothes because I don't have the money to pay for said YouTuber clothes. So let's see the video. Okay, you grab the shirt, you cut the front. You cut a little, like the front part, and then you flip it over, and then you just cut straight, and then you cut 2 square pieces, and then you hot glue it. I can hot glue. This is easy. So, let's do it. Okay, so I have this really long sleeve. I've used it once, and I don't plan on using it ever again. But if this DIY is cute, I will definitely use it. If I look over here, it's because I have the computer so I can follow along. Let's try it. Also, I didn't measure this before, so I'm just going on my body length. This seems right. Also, don't know how to cut in a straight line, so that's gonna be fun. Snip, snip time. I know what I'm doing. That was definitely not in the middle, but that's okay. Cut the sides, this side. Okay, now, just straight. Let's just cut the nub. Or, ow! Let's get that instant replay. Or, ah! Okay, let's get back with the video. I should have done it the other way around so I could see where the line is, but no. I'm just guessing. Oops. You guys might actually be thinking that I'm just like doing this as a bit, but it's literally not a bit. Like, they might be funny, but in all reality, I'm actually trying to make cute clothes, and I just have really bad luck. Like, extremely bad luck. She cuts it, she hot glues this part. Okay, I can do that, I can do that. Pew pew. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself when you're using one of these. And I have a feeling I will. That's because I made the decision of being dumb. I'm calling myself out for the future. Okay, so which way does it go? This is really confusing because the little like stitching is on both sides, so you can't tell which one's the outside and which one's the inside, and I don't remember. I'm guessing this one's the outside. Oops. Yeah, it feels like cotton candy when you're turning it. Hot, hot, owie. One part finished. Now for the other part. Hot. Wow, they're both different sizes. Great. I'm so stupid. I didn't flip it inside out. I didn't flip it inside out. I didn't flip it inside out. You know how the saying goes that life doesn't give you redos? I'm making my own redo. Easy. Redo, done. Now we flip it. These lines are not straight, but that's okay. Woo! Bop. There's one done. Woo! Ow! Boo! I don't expect people to actually look up to me. I am not an inspiration. I wish I could start over, but I already committed. I'm done. How do you do it, Laura DIY? It looks like a person with legs. This is definitely not how you should DIY, but why not? Don't get your fingies. I'm gonna try. I will finish what I started. And I finished! This is the DIY. These are definitely not secure. Okay, so DIY number 1 is come complete. Woo! Let's go into our second one. Okay, so for a second DIY, this is from Sarah Betts. And this video is called DIYing My Old Clothes Cute Again. Now that I think about it, I chose the first two, for me, hardest DIYs for myself. So let's see the video. So basically, the DIY is, so you have pants, right? And then you put one side into a trash bag and tape it up. And then the other side, you bleach it. So it's a cute little like 2-in-1 pants. I guess we're gonna do this. So I went outside because I don't want to get my house all smelled like bleach. So that's why I'm outside. I want to try to do this really fast because it's really hot. And wear your mask. Very important. Wear your mask. Does it hurt you? Does it hurt the other person? Does it hurt to wear a mask? So I've never actually done this. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna guess. Okay, that looks nice. I taped ahead of time my pants, so I won't get bleach on the other side. Guess we're gonna dunk. I really don't know if this is gonna work. This isn't actually bleach, it's cleaner, but it says it's bleach too. So I'm hoping it'll work. It doesn't look like anything changed. It's so hot. There's gonna let it dry. I got bleach on my arm. Am I gonna die? I never actually read the instructions on what you're supposed to do. You know, I'll just cut when this is actually all finished. So, transition. Whoa. Okay, so I washed the pants and I dried them, and now they're in this bucket. So, are you ready? They look so cute. Okay, look how cute these pants are. They're so freaking cute. Look at that. Look at that. I hope it doesn't blend in with the background, but look at that. It's so freaking cute. I'm so surprised. I was 100% sure this wasn't gonna work because I had no faith in myself. I still have no faith in myself. I don't know how this worked. I know the half pants thing looked really weird, but like I'm actually surprised with myself. I did this, like, and I am a DIYer. Look at that, even though I followed a tutorial, I did this. Okay, enough with this. Let's get on with our third and final DIY. So, for our third and final DIY, it is from The Ultimate 1, 2, 3, Go. If you haven't heard of 1, 2, 3, Go, do you live under a rock? Because these are cool DIY clothes hack. So, you grab a tank top with a hole in it, right? And then you cut it, and then use the bottom piece to make like a little arrow. And it makes a cute little shirt. Because why do you not want a cute shirt while it's the hottest day of summer? So I feel like nothing can go wrong in this DIY. Okay, so I put the camera a little more down so you can see the shirt. I hope this works. I actually hope this works. This one seems easy. It's from 1, 2, 3, Go. Obviously it's gonna work. So, she just cut it, and then she just made a, let's just rewatch the video. Is this smart? Is this a smart way to cut things? Well, too late now. And then it's a little arrow shape. I feel like it's impossible for me to make shapes with scissors. Is this even? Okay, whatever. And then you grab the shirt. Of course I got it with the tag. And then you tuck it in. And then it gets cute. Great. Now, the try-on portion of this DIY clothing hack. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like or subscribe. I'm not forcing you to do anything. And I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!